Okay, so I just want to give you guys a brief update on how the shop turned out. I'm sure you've seen the photos of before. Our goal was to get back to where we were exactly as it was before. We were very proud of our shop and are happy to show you that we are back up and running fully as we were before. If you look at the before pictures, there should be some. There's almost no difference, but all of this was pulled out, carpet was pulled out. You can see there's still some, we didn't replace everything, there's still some shots where you can see there was some more, furniture, stuff like that, but all the sheetrock came up about 4 feet, all the way throughout the shop. This is our main lobby, our production area, our desks. We did lose a computer. Again, some furniture was damaged, it wasn't bad, but through the back we did lose some material. Again, offices, hallway, sheetrock, carpet, tile, all the way throughout. And as you come in through the back, fortunately this is concrete, but again, there was contamination all the way up through the top of the walls, backs of the walls were all replaced. This is where we stored everything while we did the build out. Again, thank you SEMA, thanks for helping us out, and thank you all.